Want to create realistic looking AI avatar with movement for free? In this video, I will show you exactly how to build one step by step using AI tools. No paid subscription, no complicated software, just free tools anyone can use. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to generate prompts using AI tools, refine them into an avatar, and then bring that avatar to life with voice and movement. The best part, every app we're using offers a free version. That means you can try this today without spending a cent. Alright, let's jump straight into it. We'll break it down step by step so you can follow along.
So the first thing you want to do when you want to achieve this result is for you to generate an image that you like to use. Now you can use ChatGPT as you're seeing on your screen, or you can use any other image generator. So something about ChatGPT is that sometimes it doesn't get what you want exactly, and that is why you have to use different AI tools that can help you generate your images. There are so many, but I often use either ChatGPT, Meta AI, or Leonardo AI. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT and also Meta AI. Now, if you're not good in writing your prompts, you don't have to panic. Just describe what you want to ChatGPT and tell it to create a prompt for you that you can use in an image generator. So I just took that image from ChatGPT and I imputed it in Meta AI and asked it to replicate this person in the same place with all features intact, but she's standing up and holding a cup of tea. So I'm just trying to replicate the image doing something else. So Meta AI really came through here because it created 4 different images for me, of which I'm going to pick the one that I love the most. So if you don't know how to create prompts, do not panic. ChatGPT can actually help you to create prompts that you can use on other image generators. Now this is the image it created where that same character is holding a cup of coffee or a cup of tea or whatever you want to call it. Now we're going to move on to trying to actually make our image talk, and for this we'll be using the Agent app or the Agent website. So you can see there are several options here. I'm going to be choosing the option that says for me to turn my photo to a video with AI avatar. So this is the option I'll choose. So now I'm going to upload the photo that I would like to speak. So I'm just going to click on upload so that it can take me to my gallery and I can pick the image I want to use. So right here I've already downloaded that image from Meta AI and from ChatGPT. So I'm just going to go ahead and just pick the image and then open it up. So once the image has been uploaded, it's going to show right here. Once it has been uploaded, you can see it already is showing and you can see that the image is here. So the next thing you want to do is, what do you want this image to say? You can type in a script that this image can use, or in my case I would love to record an audio because I want this to be like the sound of my voice. I don't want those generic AI voiceovers that once I hear it I know it's AI. So I'm just going to click on upload a file, and once I click on upload a file, I'll just go to my audios and just look for the audio that contains my voice recording of what I want this to say. I recommend you naming your audio so you don't get lost trying to figure it out. So I'm just going to pick this one and then it's going to load up on this space as you can see on the screen, and it is uploading. So this will ensure that the voice of this AI is exactly mine and doesn't sound like AI at all. It's going to be like I'm the one speaking, and that is the amazing thing about this app. So now I'm going to click on add audio because it's done uploading, and once I click on add audio, it will just show that the audio is here. Now you need to just tell it what you want your image to do. Do you want your image to move? Do you want your image to sit? Do you want your image to clap? This costume motion is very important, and if you don't know what to do or what you want your image to do, ChatGPT is still available for you. And I'll go to ChatGPT and I'll tell the ChatGPT to give me motion and camera movement that I would love to make my video stand out, and ChatGPT is going to do just that. As you can see on the screen, it's giving me facial expression, giving me body movement, giving me camera interactions, and I'll just pick the one that I want my image and my avatar to have, and I'll just keep pasting them here as the exact ones that I want. I'll keep pasting them to this column until I'm done pasting. So you have to repeat this process and make sure that all the movements that you want have been imputed. And once you're done with that, you can change the aspect ratio, but for you to get the higher version, that means you need to subscribe to their plan. So if this is something that you want to really work with, you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and click on generate video so that I can generate my video, and it's going to come out looking quite perfect. So another way you can actually do this, instead of you uploading an audio, if you actually don't want to say anything, that's actually fine. You can delete that audio that I uploaded and just paste in your script, what you want it to say. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a script for you, and once it has done that, you need to pick a voice. Who do you want to speak? I'm Nigerian, so obviously I would like to pick like a Nigerian voice. So yeah, I'm trying to search for a Nigerian voice, a voice that is going to sound like a Nigerian to the best of its ability. So once I type in Nigerian, there are a few Nigerian options and it's just going to pop out now. I'm just trying to type it in, so you're going to see that Nigerian option is going to come out. I'm going to click on enter key, and there is a Nigerian option, as you can see. So it's going to load up and I'm going to see the Nigerian options that are available for me. Once you see the Nigerian options, you can go ahead and click on each one. As you can see here, there is Fola and there is Zara. Okay. So these are the two Nigerian options that are here. It's not a lot, but I appreciate that at least we're represented in this area, which is something that I'm really glad about. So once I pick that, I'm going to listen to the audio to try to understand if this voice is what I want, or I would like to pick Fola. But if this is the voice that I want, that means I'm good to go. The next thing I need to do is to type in the script. So I'm not going to be doing that because for this video I just showed you how to use the audio version. So if you would like to use the script version, all you need to do is to go to ChatGPT, get your script, paste it here, and then you can generate your video.
And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop more videos like this. I really appreciate it if you share my content as well, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. It really helps my channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.